就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase 每一次 which means every time.
大拜。
大拜就是每一次 ，alright？ 那平常其实养成一个如果生病要戴口罩的好习惯，或者是有一点流鼻水哦，就有点症状，就应该先戴起来，为了自己好，为了别人好。
没错。
Right? We may be putting on a mask, especially if you're feeling a little unwell. So let's put you in that situation. 我们来听一段对话喽。
我很多時大拜出門都要戴嘴喇叭，
我咩係呢？
保護自家，沒保護別人。
騙你。
別人
哦，这在反映我刚刚讲的那句话，保護自己也是保護別人，對不對？
保護自家，沒保護別人。
Oh, that last line is very important. We'll get to it, okay? Let's break down each sentence, okay? 一開始應該是我感冒時，每一次出門都有戴口罩 ，right?
我很多時，
我很多時，
大拜出門。
大拜出門
都有戴嘴喇叭，
都有戴嘴喇叭。
嘴喇叭就是口罩，可是还有另外一种说法，可以說成嘴M。
哦，嘴 M。Okay, so there are two ways of saying the mask. One is a more traditional way, and one is a newer way of saying a mask. Okay, 那当然第二句就是我也是啊，
我咩係呢？
我咩係呢 ？Okay, 就是 me too, I do that too. And the last line, I really want to teach you this: 保護自己也保護別人，對不對？
對。
Protecting yourself is also protecting others.
保護自家，
保護自家，
沒保護別人，
沒保護別人。Okay, 保護就是保護 ，that means to protect. And the first one, 自家，
自家就是自己
吗？哦、I like that. 自家，感覺好像是在唱歌哎。對啊，自家 means yourself. This is the first time I learned this. 自家 and then others, 別人，別人。Now you know this line and learned a lot of other phrases. So let's review some of these phrases, such as 口罩 the mask.
嘴喇叭，
嘴喇叭，
或者是嘴 M。
嘴 M. Okay, again, two ways of saying this. And then to protect 保護，
保護，
保護 Okay, that's to protect yourself 自己，
自家
and others 別人，
別人，
別人 Okay, and this whole month it's all about the phrase 每一次 every time. 大拜，那我们再听一次我们的对话。
我很多時大拜出門都要戴嘴喇叭，
我咩係呢？
保護自家，沒保護別人。
好，希望大家身體健康，對不對？有一點不適的話，
趕快戴口罩。
沒錯。All right, so that does today's conversation on Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.